I'm flabbergasted. I'm a little bad sometimes, but you know what? It's all love.
Girl, maybe I should. I met him in Philly, and the name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly.
Hey girl, hey guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I am so excited for today. I'm headed to the park. I'm gonna get to come along with me today and catch a vibe, honey, okay? Because it's a beautiful day in Tampa Bay, okay? I'll check back in with y'all once I get to the park.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping their gums and bumping my tape. Don't go against me, they ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put up.
This park is nice, right? Mm-hmm. I'm surprised you never been here. All right, it's your yoga mat? Yeah. I'm trying to think if I should. No, I'm gonna bring the little one. I brought that one in case Tay. I did invite Tay, but I don't know if she's coming or not. I don't know. I'm flabbergasted. I feel so special. Thank you. You're welcome, girl. I appreciate you.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be. But deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy. I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap. Take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap. Take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far.
Right. Well, last time we did yoga. Woo, it's been a while. But I know you're gonna get me right together. I will get you right.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You're anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go?
This was so much fun. We really poured into one another today. Love you. So we about to get ready to go to Riverwalk to go to the boat parade. This is little Miss Monty. Come here. Say hi. Hi. You excited?
Are you?
Yeah, I've never been. Do your dance, do your dance, do your dance. Do your dance, do your dance, do your dance. Do your dance, do your dance, do your dance. Hey, over there looking like Mary J. Blige.
MJB, baby.
Can you learn me how to
I just started it for you.
Yeah, my friend got me these flowers. Well, you guys seen them earlier, but here they are all set up. That was so sweet of her. Thanks, T.
Yourself. I'm married little Christmas. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. It's a place alive. Hey, 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 it's a place alive. Hey, 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 have yourself a merry little Christmas night.
Happy Christmas. I mean, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy Halloween, but you know how it goes. You know, blah, blah, blah. You better be loving it, girl. What you ask Santa for this year?
Dying.
What you ask Santa for? What you ask Santa for? You ain't gonna
What
get
you
it?
want?
What you want? You ain't want nothing? Yeah, baby. That's the money you like to draw? You like an artist?
Fix your pen. Yeah, fix it. Fix yourself, girl. You might be drunk, but you ain't help her out.
All right, mama, don't jinx me.
I'm trying to help you.
Baby, don't
I don't want you looking, you gotta present well. You gotta present well.
Yeah, by the way, my y'all see that boy right here?
Yeah, that's my son.
14 and he's
15.
13. 16.
15.
That's 16?
15, 15.
Oh, what the fuck? 15 and 15?
Yeah.
Yeah, what y'all friends? Y'all sisters and y'all both got 2 boys that's 16? No, that's yours. You got a girl? Oh, you got a girl. Girl, I got 2 girls, 2 boys, I got 2
We gotta walk up there,
girl.
girl.
Sit your ass all the way down. Get it down.
Oh my God.
Sit it down. boys, but she can run that shit.
You the designated driver? You the designated? Oh, You need to be careful. You need to be careful out here.
I am careful, Mom. I'm real
Just
careful.
saying.
Nasty, them now.
Just be careful.
I'm be careful. But I know they gave you 2 boys, you know why? Real tough, hard love. You know what I'm saying? They want you to get that real love. You didn't get that real love, so they gave it to you.
Yeah.
Them boys delivered. You know they gotta break your heart a little bit because they might be a little bad. They might be a little bad sometimes, but you know what? It's all love. You know what I'm saying? You better love them little boys. 15, and 2 girls. You better be loving them.
What you doing, Leah? Your friend didn't come?
No.
How are you, girl?
Shorty do what?
This is not your son.
No, where Eli at?
I was about to say. Eli! Oh my.
He right there.
Where?
Right there. He right.
Good girl. I came all the way from over there. Yes, it was a wall.
So you parked that way then?
But you parked.
You was by the strap.
You parked real far because you parked by
The aquarium.
Yeah, the aquarium. I parked right here in the middle, halfway.
Okay.
Because I had to walk 12 minutes.
We didn't know where the
up.
boat was going to be at, and it was so when we first
It was
got
so
here.
nice because the yachts are over there.
Yeah, but when we first got here, it was so bad.
For real.
So you probably would have had a better parking.
Y'all probably walked a whole hour coming down here.
Eli, say hi to Ashley.
Eli, I was like, did you switch up on me? How are you? How's Georgia treating you? Look at you taller than me. You so pretty. I tell you this all the time, girl.
She had her lipstick on. Ain't no more lipstick.
You had red lipstick on, girl. Oh, and you got a purse. Oh, my goodness. You just growing up on me. I don't know what to do. And you got glasses. Let me see. Ooh, girl.
Say hi to my vlog. This is Ashley.
Hey, y'all. We outside having a family time.
Why would you do like this?
They got the ice skating over there.
Why you didn't take a picture of this?
Your bike.
Why you didn't just take it? Man,
They asked him to take
there's a million people here, child.
Look at you, girl. Taller than you. Money. Now flip the camera and get in. Flip the camera and get in. Turn it. Turn this way. Like this. Look.
You seen me?
She said,
Don't play me. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, bitch, I just begun. I ain't giving out no money to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego.
hear me clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. If you can't hear me, clap 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
Listen. Look, a few things, real quick. The names on your name tag, remember what y'all wrote? Because if I'm saying free Tory 6 times and you're not answering,
You said 10 times he get free.
here's the deal.
You said 10 times he
But
get free.
still, remember the name tags.
Yes, ma'am.
Has everyone taken a shot?
No.
Okay.
Too many.
So,
Orientation.
everyone, before
Not
you
while
take
I'm
a
storm.
get it.
You said it wrong. You gotta take a shot.
Yeah.
Take a shot. What? Who's talking about you?
Grab a drink, make a drink, get a shot. I don't care.
Keep a drink in your
Put
hand.
3 Jello shots in your pocket. Tell me
Oh, yeah, you right about the
Everybody need a shot before we play the game. We got 2 minutes. Shot 3
I just took your shot from good.
Are these Jello shots strong?
for Nick.
They're the same Jello shots we have every year. As if you never took one.
Like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Greco. Hit around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it.
I think we're hard with that.
She did.
That's what I'm saying to my name too.
Okay. She did it. She's the champ. She didn't cheat.
She got the job done.
She got the job done.
She got the job done. You did that, friend.
I sure did.
She improvised.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me
No, that's not. I wanted to see who was playing.
They ain't hungry. They're just trying to win.
I'm gonna tell you how I gonna play.
He don't puff no candy cane.
Wait, what? Yeah.
Dude, listen up, dude.
This guy's straight fucking open.
So we walk around the table, right? When the music stops, hold on.
Okay, I'm telling you, you missed the candy
When the
cane.
music stops, you grab a candy cane.
You missed the candy cane.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, shit.
Shut up. Clap 3 times. Thank you. Thank you. When the music stops, you grab a cane. If you don't have a cane, you out.
Musical candy cane.
Got you.
Musical candy cane.
There we go.
Why'd you say that?
She make it so difficult.
Right?
Go for it. Because musical candy canes, I can't explain it. Because what if you try to sit the fuck on the floor? I don't know.
Why would we sit down?
Musical chairs.
Ain't no chairs.
Cora, don't touch my.
All right, let's go.
All right, we starting. Music chair.
Light his ass up.
Bobby Weed, that's why I said, come on. Damn. Bobby Weed.
Get the host.
We gonna see what for the gun.
Yeah.
9, 8. Why you stuck me, kid? Why you stuck me? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, no, you don't. 1.
Oh, we inside her?
I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine and Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the videos packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Girl, I'm just now getting home, okay? It is 2:45 a.m. It's officially Christmas Eve. Today was a vibe, from going to the park to doing yoga to the boat show to the Christmas party that was hella lit. Listen, I had a good time, okay? I really have some good people around me in my inner circle, and I appreciate them. I love them so much. So I'm just so full right now. Like, I'm just so gracious for everything that I have and everybody that I have. And I really enjoyed hanging out with y'all today. So if you enjoyed today's vloggy vlog. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel. Okay? And I'll see y'all in the next one. Till then, peace out.
Joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I could put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. So cool, get full with this shit.